Next we want to get the query from our text area box, and from what I remember our text area box had the ID, we see ID subject. Okay, so again we're going to point to the text area using the get element by its ID from the document object model. And look, again I just copy and paste here, so if I've got one of these wrong I've got all of them and they could be wrong, but the ID that we want to target is the text area, and it has an ID of subject, and I'm just going to call this inquiry, and then we'll have, so that'll be in the value. We want to actually target the particular value that's put in the inquiry, and we'll put in here inquiry value. And then we'll change that first string, because this is where you're grabbing it from the box. You want to set the text area back to blank here again, query.value, and that's now grabbing the information or the query from the text area.